Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, and now I'm gonna show you how to clean your USB charging port using household items. So firstly, remember one rule. Never use metal objects to clean the connector so as not to damage your USB charging port, and they're water resistant. So I suggest to use an old toothbrush, which you no longer use. I think everyone has an old toothbrush, or you can buy the toothbrush, or of course use your toothbrush and buy a new toothbrush for you. So cool. As you can see, there is something in my toothbrush, in my USB charging port, that prevents the charging cable from going all the way into the connector. And now we are going to try to clear it. So if you have the cover, you need to take the cover off. Then take the brush in your hand and insert one part of the brush into the connector. And then just pry the dirt out. So it's too easy to do because toothbrush is the best tool to clean your USB charging port. So if you have dust here, you can clean it using toothbrush too. And okay, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.